Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're kicking off what I hope will be an epic 3-part series where we build a small secluded underground shelter. This is going to be my best shelter yet, so stick around as we dive into the entire process from start to finish. Right, so good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm pretty much stood in where the shelter is going to be. Now it's very hard to see because of how overgrown it all is, but this is a tiny, I'd probably say no bigger than 6 foot long by maybe, I don't know, 3 foot if that, trench. The plan is to rip all this out, build around the sides, clear all the debris off today. I've got a lot of deadfall wood around me as well. Now I haven't brought a saw bar my little hand saw because I was only hoping to get some little bits cut today, none of the big bits. So we'll see how we get on. If I have to take a little bit longer cutting them, then that's fine, I will do. But I ain't going to waffle on in this video. It's more about the building of the shelter than a lot of my talking. So to that end, all I'm going to do is I'm going to set the camera up in the distance, start getting things rolling, dig out this trench, and then I'll bring it back in intervals and just update on what I've done, and we'll just go from there. But yeah, really looking forward to this. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so I'm really excited to do it. And I'm in a woodlands that I used to actually do paintballing in back in the day, and now it's pretty much derelict. There's not much for footfall in this woods, bar the odd horse that cuts about. They use that as a horse track to go wherever. So that's why Luna, she's down here at the minute. I put her on a long lead, so I've tied her up against a tree and she's just gallivanting round. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to set the camera up now, get the spade out and start digging around the area and move all the debris and start from there. So I'm going to be using, I think this one is the US Army entrenching tool. Not quite sure. It's either that or it's the British one. So rusty as knackers. So I'm going to use this. This is all I'll be using tool wise for this shelter, for digging out. With that, a saw from Modern Warfare, and then my little pocket saw as well, which I absolutely love, these little Laplanders. Not used it for a while, it were already in my car, so I thought I'll just take it just in case I do get to a point where I need it. Anyways, it's time to dig. She's trying to help her. I don't know if you can see this. She's trying to help, bless her. Watch out. Here I come. Whew. I'll have to dig that one in, I reckon, don't I? Eh? What do you think? Whew. Have a drink of water, because I know I do. Right. Well, I've tried to cart this from other end at woodblock. Because a lot of the deadfall that I was open to use, that tree's sketchy, that I was open to use, is on bloody far end. The sort of stuff I was wanting to use is all quite thin. I mean, this bit weren't too bad, but parts of it were rotten. So it looks like someone's cut this down, God knows how long ago, but it looked quite fresh with a chainsaw. There were a lot of it, to be fair. This was just the top end of it, because it was all I could carry. But I'm hoping 2 big bits will be ideal, and then these little thinner bits that I've got, I'll start interweaving them in, and these 2 here will be the main structure to support it. But yeah, come up with an idea. Instead of constantly digging out as much as I could, I'm going to put them already on what's dug out in the past. So I've leaned them up, as you can probably see now, and then I'll cover these over, intertwine a lot of it, put the tarp over, and then refill it with the soil, so just basically backfill it. And then a lot of the smaller sticks that I've got will shoot off down this way. And I'm just trying to make it look as natural as possible in the area we are at. So that's what the plan is. It takes a little bit longer, and yeah, but I'm absolutely hanging at the minute, so I'm going to have 5 minutes. Keeps constantly raining, like on and off, so we'll see how it goes. If it starts coming down too hard, and then we'll pack away and we'll start again next weekend. But yeah, waffling on. So get Luna some water, because she's just been off lead. She's absolutely knackered at the minute. So yeah, it is what it is. Hey, watch out. Well, are we steady? Well, I expected it to rain, but it started coming down quite heavy then. So I've just flinged the tarp up. I'm quite happy that I have as well, to be fair, because the tarp that I'm looking at now, I wanted to use. Now granted there's a few bits I need to cut off above, but yeah, I'm unsure whether to have it this long or get another tarp, maybe a 3x3, something like that. I'm not too sure yet. I think I could potentially leave this as is, pull it as taut as possible, and then just backfill it with soil. I think that's probably what I'm going to look at doing. But yeah, I just thought I'd pull it up for now, just to stay out of the rain for a bit. But I don't think Luna's that bothered, to be honest. I do have a wax jacket as well outside. It's getting wet as we speak, but it's also good to just see how the tarp will look. Once this rain stops, I'll get back out and carry on. I'm just more wary of the camera than anything. But yeah, I'll suck the rest of this, chill out with Luna. Hopefully this blows over and we'll carry on. Right, so due to a lot of rain, I've just cracked on off camera. Now as you can see behind me, the foundations are all pretty much set. So to that end, I'm going to leave it here for now. Hopefully Tarp doesn't get robbed or anything like that. I can't imagine so, because we're in the middle of nowhere. There's a lot of work to be done. Massive amount of room. In fact, I'll show you real quickly what camera's on of the sheer volume of the room, and it still goes back a fair bit as well. I need to go in because I need that as well. But yeah, I'm actually looking forward to spending a night in here already. It's a pretty cool little shell scrape, really. I'm pretty much happy with how it is now. What needs to happen, I've got a few more deadfall there's some down there, and there's a little bit behind us as well. But yeah, I've got to put a few more main beams to it to make the structure a little bit more sturdy, and come down a lot more on these sides as well, so that it'll start blending into the earth. All the soil that I've dug out today, plus more when I flatten it, that's going to come back on top as well. In relation to the top of the tarp, I'm going to try and keep it pretty much as is. Chuck a few bits on, and then a lot of the weeds and stuff is what I'm going to use, and the leaves, just because I've got a bit of a funny feeling that when I start chucking dirt on it, it's going to start collapsing in. So yeah, that's that. Pretty much happy with it. So to that end, we're going to end the video there, I reckon. I'm trying to keep them short. I'm going to probably release 3 of these, so try and keep them short and sweet. A lot more less talking if I can. There's a lot of talking that I've had to do today just to explain how it's going to look, and obviously what I've kind of done. But what I will be doing is, on the next episode, it'll solely just be an ASMR type of build, so there'll be no talking whatsoever. But yeah, I'm really chuffed with it so far. Hopefully it holds out over the next week until I get back here and carry on. But all in all, well chuffed. Yeah, thanks ever so much for watching. Let me do know in the comments as well what you'd like to see inside this shelter, what improvements you'd like to see around as well, and just anything really. I've explained that I'm going to have a fire pit inside as well on my right side. We'll dig it out, build up, and then I'll have a little fire pit there. So when I have been digging around, I've been collecting a lot of the rocks as well. So yeah, really happy. But thanks for watching. I know it's been a bit long-winded in relation to me talking when there should be a lot more building going off, but we've got there in the end. But catch you all soon.